The best morning routine for seniors over 60. Transform your health before breakfast. Imagine waking up every single day feeling light, strong, and full of energy, without relying on endless pills, energy drinks, or long doctor visits. Now imagine this. Just 30 minutes every morning could help you stay independent, sharp and active well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Sounds too good to be true? Well, science says otherwise. Today, I'm going to share the ultimate morning routine designed specifically for seniors over 60. A simple, powerful, and research-backed ritual that can help boost your mobility, support your heart, sharpen your mind, and give you the calm confidence to take on your day. No complicated equipment, no heavy workouts, just natural, smart steps that make a difference. Let's begin. Right from the moment you open your eyes. 1. Wake up gently. Set the tone, don't shock the body. When your alarm rings, resist the urge to jump out of bed immediately. As we age, our blood pressure can shift more quickly, and sudden movements can lead to dizziness or even falls. So here's what to do instead. Open your eyes slowly. Take a deep, steady breath in through your nose. Hold for a few seconds, and exhale gently through your mouth. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel your body waking up. Stretch your arms overhead while still lying down. This small 2-minute wake-up ritual signals your brain. The day has begun. Let's do this safely. It also gently boosts circulation and reduces the risk of lightheadedness when standing up. Then, sit on the edge of the bed for a moment. Place your feet on the ground. Feel stable. This mindful pause is one of the simplest fall prevention habits you can build into your day. 2. Hydration. Water before anything else. Here's a fact that surprises many people over 60. Most morning fatigue, headaches, or joint stiffness isn't just getting older. It's dehydration. Overnight, your body loses water through breathing and natural processes. When you wake up, your blood can be slightly thicker and your digestion slower. So the first thing to do after waking up is drink a full glass of room temperature water. Before coffee, before tea, before anything else. If you like, add a few drops of lemon for vitamin C and flavor, a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes, or just keep it plain and simple. This wakes up your digestive system, kickstarts your metabolism, and supports heart and kidney function, all crucial for healthy aging. 3. Morning mobility. Move it or lose it. Here's something essential. After 60, the body doesn't need intense workouts. It needs consistent, gentle movement. One of the best things you can do every morning is a 5 to 10 minute mobility routine to keep your joints flexible and your balance strong. You can do this in your bedroom, living room, or balcony. Start with these simple moves. Neck rolls. Slowly roll your head from side to side, loosen the tension. Shoulder circles. Gentle forward and backward rolls to open up your chest. Torso twists. Place your hands on your hips. Twist left and right slowly. March in place. Light marching gets your blood flowing. Ankle rotations. Lift one foot and circle your ankle slowly in both directions. This mini mobility session can improve blood circulation, balance and coordination, joint lubrication, and mood. The key here isn't speed or intensity, it's consistency. Think of this like brushing your teeth, but for your joints. 4. Breathing and mindfulness. Calm the storm before it starts. Many seniors wake up with a heavy mind, thinking of aches, worries, or daily tasks. But your first thoughts set the emotional tone for the entire day. That's why adding a short breathing or mindfulness practice in the morning can transform everything. You don't need to meditate for hours. Try this 2-minute breathing exercise. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale gently for 6 seconds. Repeat 5 to 8 times. This slows your heart rate, reduces cortisol, your stress hormone, and helps stabilize your blood pressure. You can also whisper a positive affirmation like, "I am grateful for another beautiful day. I am strong, calm, and capable." Never underestimate how powerful your morning mindset can be for your physical health. 5. Light exposure. Let the sun in. Step outside or open your curtains. Sunlight on your face in the first 30 minutes of the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. This improves sleep quality at night, boosts natural energy in the morning, increases vitamin D production, important for bones and immunity, and supports mood stability. If going outside isn't easy, standing near a bright window also helps. But if you can, a short 2 to 5 minute walk outside in fresh air is a game changer. 6. Gentle string.